Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the latest and greatest beauty products to help you make informed choices. Today, I'm excited to review the Beaming Beauty Mid-Length Layered Beach Waves Wig by Hairuwear in the stunning GF1923SS Biscuit shade. This wig is designed to bring beachy waves to your everyday look with a touch of modern style. So let's dive in and see how it holds up. The Beaming Beauty wig is made with true-to-life, heat-friendly synthetic hair, which means you can style it just like natural hair, whether that's flat ironing, curling, or blowing it out. It weighs in at just 3.8 ounces, making it feel light and comfortable on your head. It's a great option for those who want an easy-to-maintain, versatile wig without the fuss of constant upkeep. In terms of features, this wig has a comfort cap that allows for better airflow, keeping your scalp cool throughout the day. The temple-to-temple lace front creates a seamless look, and the mono part gives it a more natural feel. If you're concerned about comfort, you'll be pleased to know the wig also includes velvet-lined ear tabs and an extended nape for a secure, snug fit. I've had the chance to wear this wig for a few weeks, and I'll tell you, it's surprisingly easy to incorporate into my daily routine. The texture is soft and smooth, and the beachy waves are the perfect balance between relaxed and polished. I love that I can wear it straight out of the box, but it also holds up beautifully when styled. Whether you want to add more curls or straighten it out for a sleek look, it works with heat tools just like human hair. That's one of its standout features. On the flip side, if you're looking for something with a bit more volume or dramatic waves, this style might feel a little too subtle. It's great for a more natural everyday look, but those seeking a bigger, more bold wave might find it a little understated. Also, the wig cap is average size, so it may not be a perfect fit for everyone, though the adjustable features make it pretty customizable. Now let's get into the pros and cons of the Beaming Beauty Mid-Length Layered Beach Waves wig. Pros: heat-friendly synthetic hair that's easy to style. Lightweight and comfortable, ideal for long wear, natural-looking lace front and mono part create a realistic scalp appearance. Comfort cap design for extra breathability. Easy maintenance, perfect for daily wear. Cons: the waves are more subtle, may not be dramatic enough for those wanting big curls. The fit is standard, so it might not suit every head shape perfectly. When it comes to value for money, this wig offers a decent balance between quality and price. The heat-friendly synthetic fibers make it a standout in terms of versatility, and the natural look of the lace front makes it hard to tell it's not real hair. While it's not the cheapest synthetic wig out there, it's well worth the investment if you want something that mimics real hair without the upkeep. For those on a budget, you might find comparable alternatives that are a bit less expensive, but they might not offer the same natural feel or styling options. Comparing this wig to others in the market, the Beaming Beauty wig stands out due to its lightweight comfort cap and heat styling capabilities. Other wigs in this price range may lack the quality of materials or the natural-looking features, such as the temple-to-temple lace front or the velvet-lined ear tabs. If you're seeking a natural and comfortable wig with styling flexibility, this product is definitely worth considering. As for build quality and longevity, I've been impressed with how well the wig holds up. The true-to-life fibers don't frizz easily, and after multiple wears, the texture hasn't become tangled or worn down. This speaks volumes about its durability. The cap is well constructed, and I haven't noticed any issues with it losing shape or becoming uncomfortable over time. It feels like it will last through repeated styling without showing signs of wear quickly. If you've ever reached out to Hairuwear's customer support, you'll know they're responsive and helpful. I've had minimal need for support, but their reputation for good customer service is widely recognized in the wig community. There haven't been any major updates to the Beaming Beauty Mid-Length Layered Beach Waves wig, but it's always a good idea to check the brand's website for any new additions or improvements to the product line. If this wig feels like it's just above your budget, you might also want to check out wigs from brands like John Renault or Raquel Welch, which offer similar quality at a slightly lower price point. These alternatives may not have the same exact features, but they do provide similar heat-friendly synthetic options and a natural look. To wrap it up, the Beaming Beauty Mid-Length Layered Beach Waves Wig by Hairuwear is a solid choice if you're looking for a versatile, natural-looking wig with heat styling capabilities. Its lightweight design and realistic features make it perfect for daily wear, and it's a great option for anyone seeking a low-maintenance but stylish hair solution. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this wig, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.